Okay. Hello, I'm Ravi Shankar, teacher St. Joseph's College, Nainital, and I'm going to be teaching class 12, Geography. Topic is demographic attributes. Now, what is the meaning of demographic attributes? Any population consists of males, females. There are people who are working, adult population. There are youngsters, there are elderly people who are non-workers, and there are students seeking, admission in schools and colleges or studying. They are non-workers, and so they are not part of the economic activity. All these factors, they are known as the demographic attributes. Our country was, and even now is known as, the country of villages. According to the 2011 census, 68.84% people lived in villages, 31.16% in urban areas. Our population is 1.3 plus billion. And so the number of people living in the urban areas is still quite large. According to the 2011 census, 377.1 million, and now more. We come to now understand that a number of cities have become very, very large. They have become metropolitan cities, and as the population is increasing, education is there in the cities and towns and also in the villages. There is urbanization. What is the meaning of urbanization? The transformation of predominantly rural population into predominantly urban population, like towns and cities, is known as urbanization. We have Goa, a tiny state. It is the most urbanized state of our country, 62.17%, and Himachal, the lowest, 10% plus. Now, to understand the population, we need to know the basic demographic characteristics of a population, and that is the sex ratio. The sex ratio means the number of females in our country per 1,000 males. Unfortunately, this figure is quite low. It is 940. What are the factors that has brought about this low sex ratio in our country? Namely, male child is always preferred in our country. Women in the rural areas particularly, they die at the time of giving birth. Then we have a social evil, dowry. Dowry deaths are there. Now people, young men and women, once they get educated, they don't want to have more than one child. That is another factor. Then there is always a craze for male child. When a male child is born, there is, people celebrate. And if a female child is born, then, there is no celebration. There is neglect of the female child after birth. Lastly, for reasons unknown, by nature, the number of males at birth is larger than the females. We have Kerala 1084 and Pondicherry 1038, which is good as the sex ratio. But some of the union territories, Chandigarh, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Dadra and Daman is 618, which is very, very low. Finally, to understand and to improve, overall the population of our country, we have to educate our people. And there are two ways to find out the literacy rate. The earlier one was the crude literacy rate, which is the literate population over total population into 100. And finally, literacy rate, we have revised that. The literacy rate is the literate population over population of 7 years and above into 100. Thank you.